In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your GoDaddy account email in 2025, a simple yet essential process if you've recently switched email addresses or just want to update your information for security purposes. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you can follow along with ease and successfully change your account email address. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to log into your GoDaddy account. Head over to the GoDaddy website and enter your credentials. If you've forgotten your password, now might be a good time to reset it to ensure you have access to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a profile icon located conveniently at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. Upon clicking the profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Account Settings. This section will contain all the relevant settings regarding your account information. Once you're in Account Settings, look for the option labeled My Profile. Click on My Profile to proceed further. Now you're in the right place to update your email information. Scroll through your profile settings until you find your current account email. Here, you'll have the option to change it. Carefully enter your new email address. Double check to ensure you've typed it correctly to avoid any issues with the update. After entering your new email, it's important to verify this change. Head over to your email inbox where you'll receive a confirmation link from GoDaddy. Check your spam folder in case it doesn't appear in your main inbox. Click on the confirmation link to verify your new email address. This step is crucial as it ensures that your GoDaddy account is associated with an active and valid email address. Once you've clicked the confirmation link, go back to your GoDaddy account to double check that the new email address is displayed under your profile information. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your GoDaddy account email. If you encounter any issues during these steps, GoDaddy support team is there to assist you. They can provide additional help and ensure your account settings are correct. Remember, keeping your account email up to date not only helps with account recovery options, but also ensures that you receive all the important notifications regarding your GoDaddy services. This simple change can make a significant difference in your account's security and management. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.